Hello everyone, welcome to Strap Essential Tutorial Series. In this lesson, you're gonna learn how to design and create detailed drawings for slab in Strap software. So you can see I have created one model here with slab element, and we have two different parts in this structure. One part is parallel to the horizontal axis and the other one is at an angle. So let's get started and design this slab. So for designing the slab, we have to define the load cases first. If you go to loads, you can see I have already assigned two load cases. One is dead load, which includes the self weight of the elements and also superimposed dead load. And I have provided 1.5 kilonewton per meter square of live load. Now let's solve this structure. Save the matrix, solve. Now you can go to combinations. You can see I have defined two combinations already for the dead load and live load. Close it. Now to design this, let's go to concrete, go to slabs. First of all, you have to understand one thing. Here this particular slab is parallel to the horizontal axis and this particular slab is inclined at an angle. So what we have to do, we have to divide these two slabs so that we get the detailing properly. So to divide these two slabs, we have to go to define, click on define dividing lines and click on both top and bottom bars. Okay. Now select this point, node number 2, and this particular point, which is node number 6. Now double click here and click on end. Now if you go to data display and select space numbers, you can see we have two different spaces here for both the directions. Now we can proceed with the design definition. So select defaults. Now here you will find two options for both top and bottom reinforcement. One is bars, another one is meshes. Now if you select bars, after design the software will provide you the bar size and the spacing which is provided here, and it will check whether this bar size and spacing is okay for your design or not. And if you provide this meshes, it will calculate the number of bars in each direction which is required. Now let's select bars here and provide 10 mm dia bar with 200 mm spacing in both the directions. Select the code which you want to use for the design. I am selecting IS 456-2000 and click on OK. Now go to parameters. Here you have to define this angle. Now to define this angle, select define angle by two nodes. Click on OK and select any 2 points here. After that, select individual elements and select any of the element present in this plane. Now click on compute. So it has easily computed the design results. Now if you want to create the detailed drawings, go to draw, click on new drawing. Here you have the size of the paper, you can select, click on edit. Now click on add and select under this slab section drawing. First of all, I am going to take all the bottom reinforcements, all bars, and you can select the scale here. I am going to take 1:75 and click on OK. Now select the plane and place your drawing here. So here we have created the detailed drawing for the bottom reinforcement in each direction. And you can see the software is showing you the reinforcement and the spacing. Now to check whether this provided reinforcement is okay or not, you can go to edit and you can go to check detailing. You can see there are different colors assigned to different criteria, which is black color for steel not required, green color for provided area is okay, blue color for provided area is greater than to the 150% of the required, red means the provided area is not sufficient, and this magenta is telling you that the provided area is less than 50% of the required. So now let's check the direction first. In the X direction, click on OK. Full drawing, you can see that there is no red color, but in this small areas we are getting some issues. So in these areas you can increase the reinforcement spacing. Let's select check detailing again and check in the Y direction also. You can see in the Y direction we do not have any issue. Now let's create the schedule. So click on back. Now we can create the bar bending schedule for these reinforcements which are provided in the slab detailing. So click on add, and under slab section you will find bar schedule. You can provide the text size and click on OK. Now place your bar bending schedule. You can see the detailed schedule is created here. Let's create a window to view it properly, and you can see all the bar bending schedules and the total amount is provided here automatically. Now in the similar way you can create the detailed drawing for the top reinforcements also. So go to drawing again, click new drawing, click on edit, click on add, and as we have done previously, select this drawing under the slab section, and now we are going to take the top reinforcement. Change the scale as per your requirement, click on OK, select the plane and place the drawing. And here we have the top reinforcement. If you create a window, you can see the top reinforcement is also provided here automatically. In that case also you can check whether this detailing is okay or not for both the directions. Now we can create the bar bending schedule for the top reinforcements also. So click on add, again bar schedule, select the text size and click on OK. Place the schedule on your sheet, and you can see here that we have created the schedule for the top reinforcement. So this is how you can create the detailing of slab in Strap software, and you can check whether the provided area is okay or not. So this is it for today. In our next lesson we will learn such advanced design process in Strap software. Thank you.